Okay, so let's dive deep into this trend we're seeing everywhere in wellness, this real focus on fixing our health by tackling these, well, perceived nutrient deficiencies from modern diets.
Absolutely. It's all about getting back to basics, or so the story goes.
Mm.
And today, we're really unpacking the strategy of one company, Lonvera. They're an e-commerce player right in that high-end organ supplement market.
Right.
Our mission really is to look closely at their philosophy, how they've set up their products, and the specific words they use, turning organ meats into these daily capsules.
And that philosophy is pretty front and center, isn't it? Eat like your ancestors, thrive like never before. That's literally on their site.
Exactly. They're framing it very clearly. Reclaim optimal health through nature's best superfoods. It's a powerful narrative.
So what are these superfoods specifically? What's the foundation?
It's all built on beef organs, but crucially they stress it's 100% grass-fed and grass-finished beef. That detail is core to their whole promise of purity, energy, wellness.
That grass-finished bit,
Yeah.
that always catches my eye. It sounds premium, but why is that distinction so important for, the kind of consumer they're after?
Well, it signals a higher level of purity than just grass-fed. It implies the animal only ate grass its entire life right up to the end,
Ah, okay.
which suggests, a cleaner product, maybe a better nutrient profile, and frankly, it helps justify that higher price point they command.
Speaking of price, let's look at the lineup. They have this beef liver supplement. It's their bestseller, apparently, for $33.99.
Yeah, that seems like the entry point,
Yeah.
the gateway drug, if you will. Packed with iron, B12,
Yeah.
the usual suspects for energy, immune support.
But then they get really specific and the price jumps.
Oh, yeah. That's where the strategy gets quite clever. They segment the market. You've got Vital Bell for women, $49.99. So I'm focused on hormones, skin, hair, nails.
And the male equivalent, Vital Bull, also $49.99, all about testosterone, stamina, muscle growth.
Exactly. So that's nearly a 50% price hike compared to the basic liver, just by tailoring the message, the promise, to a specific gender and their desired outcomes.
And those outcomes are pitched really strongly. It's not just filling gaps, it's real noticeable changes.
Measurable improvements, they say, like sustained energy, better sleep,
Yeah.
things you can actually feel.
Mm-hmm. And the testimonials they feature really hammer that home. Very specific stories, someone saying their hair grew back thicker or nails got stronger.
Right. And that classic one, I ran out for a week and felt the difference, like increased fatigue kicked back in almost immediately.
That realization when you stop taking something and feel worse, that's potent, isn't it?
Hugely potent, whether it's confirmation bias, placebo effect, or a genuine biological reaction. Those stories are incredibly persuasive for potential buyers.
And they back it up with those trust signals right on the page. 10,000 plus happy customers, a money-back guarantee. It looks reassuring.
It does. But then, right alongside all that,
Yeah.
you have the mandatory legal disclaimer, the one the FDA requires for supplements.
Ah, yes, the fine print.
It's the fine print that basically says these statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration.
Yeah.
And critically, these products are not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease.
So it's this interesting tightrope walk. You've got this clear push linking ancient wisdom, ancestral eating with modern convenient capsules.
Yep, targeting very specific desires with those Bell and Bull products. It's tradition, but kind of packaged like medicine.
Okay, so summing up the source material. Lonvera connects ancestral diet ideas to easy capsules, and they really zero in on specific needs for men and women with premium products.
Right, which brings us to the final thought, something for you to chew on. You have these strong customer stories, people reporting palpable improvements, feeling like specific issues are being cured, thicker hair, less fatigue, balanced hormones. But then you have the official regulatory statement saying this product is not evaluated by the FDA and is not meant to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. So the question for you, the consumer, is how do you reconcile those two things? The powerful anecdotes suggesting real healing versus the formal statement that it's not intended for that purpose. That tension really is at the heart of the entire modern supplement world.